Hey, welcome back, Chlorine Kids, for another Chlorine King vlog. I just want to talk about something that will help you guys be better than the competition, and it's being pool savvy, learning about things. And how do you do that? The first thing when I first started, I was constantly researching stuff when I got home. If I encountered a certain problem I didn't know the answer to, I would definitely go home and research it. And now I'm to the point where I need to learn specialty things. So how do you do that? You go to trainings. I'm actually heading to a Pentair training over in Orlando, which is a good 3 hours from me. I mean, it's not a far ways away, but I'm going and taking that extra step, that extra mile that other companies, smaller companies, just aren't doing. So that's how you start really separating yourself, because you really need to go to any situation and be able to solve it, and not have to be in that position where, oh, let me go home and research it, or whatever you guys are going to say. So definitely do whatever you can to learn more. I'm a huge advocate of knowledge is power. In this industry, that's the epitome of this industry, is knowledge is power. All the time I gain clients because the other companies couldn't figure something out. They didn't know the solution to this problem, or even the cause of the problem, like phosphates, for instance. I've gained so many clients just because I understand phosphates. I can test for them. I can explain it to them. I can show them with a test and treat it and make their pool better. So just keep learning, guys. Keep doing whatever you can, and I promise you guys will succeed. So as always, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Have a great day, everyone.